Which triangle below is similar to this triangle? What does similar mean here? In geometry, similar means the lengths of the sides in each triangle have the same ratio. In this triangle, one side has a length of 2 and the other has a length of 4. To create a ratio, we turn these lengths into a fraction by putting 1 over the other. This triangle has a ratio of 2 over 4. If we simplify this, it becomes 1 over 2, or 1/2. Any other triangles with a ratio that can be simplified to 1 over 2 would be considered similar to this triangle. Another way to look at it is by changing the size of our triangle. Since its ratio is 1 over 2, for every 1 that we add to the side, we have to add 2 to the bottom. Watch as our triangle changes to different sizes. All of these are similar to the original triangle because they are keeping the same 1 over 2 ratio. Let's take a look at our options and see if we can find a match. Triangle A has a ratio of 3 over 4. We can't simplify this fraction to 1 over 2, so this isn't a match. You can also see if we change our triangle to try and match triangle A, it doesn't quite match because the ratios are different. Our triangle is similar to triangle A in one way. It also has a side with a length of 4, but the other sides do not match. This is a giveaway that these triangles are not similar. Triangle B has a ratio of 4 over 6. We can simplify this to 2 over 3. That ratio does not match our triangle's ratio of 1 over 2 though, so this isn't a match. Let's scale our triangle up so you can see it doesn't quite work. Triangle C has a ratio of 3 over 8. We can't simplify this fraction, and it doesn't match our triangle's ratio of 1 over 2, so this also is not a match. You can see as we scale our triangle up that they are not the same ratio. Let's try our last option, triangle D. Triangle D has a ratio of 3 over 6. We can simplify this fraction to 1 over 2. We have a match. When we scale up our triangle, we must add 1 to the left side and 2 to the bottom side. This is because the ratio is 1 over 2. When we do this, we find that the triangles match.